Hey everyone, and thanks for connecting back to my channel. This is Freddie of Freddie King's Home Decor. Let me take this opportunity to welcome back all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss another upload from me. Here's an update on the progress for our new home. As you can see, these are the before pictures of the landscaping before we had work done. And although the pictures may look like the yard is very, very nice, and it is, it was actually a little bit too crowded for us. So we hired Black Widow Tree Service, had them come in and cut back some of the overgrowth, the moss trees, and everything that was hanging over the garage or driveway to ensure that we'll have no issues with tree branches falling. And as you can see, we have heavy equipment here in the yard. They're doing a very, very good job in cutting down all of the overgrowth to ensure that there'll be no branches hitting our cars or falling down and possibly injuring someone. This picture shows before they really start cutting the tree. Here's where they started clearing it. And as you can see now, right above the house, it's even clearer. After Black Widow finished, we brought in MV Lawn Services. We had them also trim back a little bit more of the tree so that the tree was not hitting the palm trees. And here's where the heavy work begins. All of the bushes and shrubs that were in the front of the house, we wanted those pulled up, pulled out, and trimmed back a little bit. MV Lawn Services did an awesome job. Here you'll see they have a crew of about 4 people. They came and started cutting down and pulling all of those shrubs out. Here is the during picture. Everything is cleared away and we're now ready to select the plants, flowers, and shrubs. But before anything could be planted, they made sure that they removed all of the old pine needle, any old mulch, just made sure that the ground was ready before they started the planting. We wanted a fresh new look for the front lawn. And we also wanted to cut back some of the trees that lined our driveway. So we have an employee here, MV Lawn Services employee, who is making sure that the side of the pavement is correct. And then we have a team of 3 or 4 here who are planting flowers and adding the pine needle, the mulch, all of that. So it's been a pretty good day. We've made a lot of progress, and in a few minutes here, we'll show you the final reveal. You can see that the plants, shrubs, and flowers have started going in. We like it very, very much. What we specifically like about it is from the street, you have a clear view of the house, and from the front doors, you have a clearer view of the street. Just a little bit more here of cutting down a few branches so that those branches do not intersect with the palm trees. And of course, the crew on the ground is cutting down or cutting up the debris in order to haul it away. And now, this is the big reveal. As you can see, we have cleared everything in the front. Queen palms have been trimmed up. Regular palms have been trimmed up. All the existing or remaining shrubs have been shaped to perfection. And we have inserted the flowers and the plants of our choice. It now gives our home a clean, new look. We love it. We absolutely love it. Special thanks to Black Widow Tree Service and MV Lawn Services for landscaping our home and giving our front lawn a totally complete makeover. Again, if you are a subscriber of Freddie King's Home Decor team, I just want to take this opportunity once more to thank you for your support. I appreciate it. If you are not a subscriber, please take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and join Freddie King's Home Decor team. More video uploads are coming. Stay connected and stay tuned. Until next time, bye-bye.